What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today I actually get to sit down. That's something I don't get to do very often when I'm making a video. We're going to go over what the Dodge Ram sold for. Excuse me. We're going to make this short, sweet, to the point. We're going to be very concise. So here's the deal. For the Dodge Ram, and I've got all the paperwork right here, we paid $100 to have the catalytic converter installed, have it welded in. We paid about $60 for transmission fluid and miscellaneous stuff there. We paid, what was this, $58 for some headlights. I know that was an absolutely ridiculous expense that was unnecessary. I went with Silver Star Ultras, and they are very expensive. We spent $35 on an oxygen sensor. We spent $26 to get the tags done. We spent $182.20 for the actual catalytic converter that needed replaced. What else we got here? We're almost done. We spent, out the door for the truck was $1,380. My winning bid was $1,050. And that should be it. Now, a couple of numbers I just kind of rounded on. But total investment in this truck was $1,822.28. We sold it the same day. Like, I think the day it was listed or something like that. I'd have to ask Mike, but I think it sold like almost immediately for $27.50. We had it listed for $29.99 or $29.95 or something like that, which leaves a profit of $928. How about that? 928 bucks on a quick sale. Just again showing you, and that was a truck that was salvaged from the driver's side door. You know, it got a little bit of damage to the side when it was hit. There was nothing else really wrong with that truck. We did not have to replace the doors. We didn't do anything other than fix the mechanical stuff that needed fixed on it, and we sent it down the road. So just another classic example of how you can find these great deals, these quick flips, out at your local Copart yard, man. We do it pretty regularly around here, and I take a break from it from time to time to try to find something that I'm a little more interested in, something that's a little more fun to me, and that I think would be fun for you guys. But then I get a lot of people getting really upset and really angry, saying that, I don't know how to flip cars, I don't know how to find cars, I don't know how to buy cars, I don't know how to sell cars. So I have to go back and do something like the Dodge Ram and show you that. Unbelievable. So my dog wants to fight now. Anyway, you can find deals just like sugar. Anyway, if I can find the deals out at Copart, you can find the deals out at Copart. All you got to do is go check them out, sign up, get yourself a free account. No, it's not sponsored. I'm telling you guys from day one, when I found out about Copart from Sam Crack, I have been addicted to finding cars out there, buying them, and selling them. It is a lot of fun. It's an enjoyable experience, and you can make money doing it. It doesn't get any better than that. So with that, I'm out of here. Shortest video I think I've ever made. If you like the channel, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and please follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Until next time, stay safe out there. We'll catch you very soon in the next one.